I bought 3 Amazon return pallets and I have no idea what's inside any of them. Before buying these pallets, all I saw were some really low resolution images, and a couple of bids later, they're here. Let me explain. When people return things on websites like Amazon, Walmart, or Overstock, the company just puts them all together in a pallet and sells them in bulk to people like me. Which leads us to the question, why? Well, the answer is simple. Can I get more money out of these pallets than I paid for them? And is this a side hustle that can actually make you money? Now, when I got these pallets, they said that each of them had around $7,000 worth of items. But then they threw in the disclaimers, right? Like, we don't guarantee this, things might be broken, things might be damaged, there might be zero money in this. And so the bottom line is that all of these pallets can just be filled with trash. So today, we're gonna go through them, we're gonna sum everything up and see if we could turn a profit. Better be fast. What the hell? They sell these? I guess they gotta come from somewhere. Bro, these are brand new. Timothy. What did you order, Timothy? What is this? Look at a rack. Bro, it's not even in packaging. How do you resell this? Just waiting to find the iPad. Hopefully we find something, or we need to consult with an expert. Oh, damn. You know what I'm thinking? Like, some of these things we could probably sell as new, but not anymore because I'm opening them. Damn. All right, let's see how much all this stuff costs. Bro, these are $82. $82? This thing is full of these boxes. What we're gonna do is just take an entire pallet and put it right on the street so that the dumpster that's about to pass by can just take it all. And we'll just cut this video. This thing's gonna make money. $80. There's no shot. There's no way that this is $38. Who's paying this? Oh my God. These things we're gonna sell for about half of what they're actually worth, even though a lot of these are new. So this right here, $82 will sell for $41. This is $77 new and $38 new for some milk crates. I have no idea what this is, so we'll just set that aside for now. Oh, this is good though. This is good because these are just more of the same. So that's just more of this. Oh, the trash people are coming back. We have another chance. You sure you want to film this video? A lot of the Stairlight stuff. Oh, they're kind of broke. Honestly, I thought everything in here was going to be broken. This is a solid representation of how this pallet has been so far. Trash. Trash. What is this? Bro, I think I need these in my house. $74. Disappointing. What the hell is this? Who buys this? Hold up. $2.98 each? Chill. There's like a million of them in there. Oh, they sell 30 packs for 40 bucks? All right, so these look like they're $1 to $2 per on eBay, but who buys this? So there's like 500 of these in here, so we're just gonna count each of these boxes as like $50. All right, so we already have a box of this. This literally looks unopened, so I'm not even gonna open this. Well, these things add up. A dog kennel. The hell? Look at this. That's money. This is big. How much do you think this costs? This has to be like 300 bucks, right? Holy shit. $323. Blackstone 36-inch. 323, dude. I think I saw a couple, right? There's another one here. Damn. Oh, dinnerware. 67 bucks. Bro, should I even open this box? You already know whatever's in there is destroyed. What the hell is this? Oh, it's dog food. That's bad, right? But I don't think any food should be heated up like this. More metal. Great. You know, when you need one of these. Don't you hate it when you need one of these? What is this, bro? More of what this pallet is. Trash. It's kind of cool. Little ladder. What's this? Dog kennel cover. So we have dog food, we have dog cages, we have dog kennel covers. We can either sell all of this or start a dog pound. This looks mistreated. All right, so let's wrap up this first pallet. We have 3 items left. We have an organizer here. These are just basic items. And another tent. Let's see how much this stuff costs. So this tent is 50, this one's 65, and this one's 79, and all of that is new, so we'll cut that in half, and that's what we have so far. So that's pretty much it for pallet 1. We still have 2 more. This one, I think, is gonna have a lot of money. We'll leave that one for last. We have a child trailer. These things have to be expensive. And we have another one of those grills, and it's just wide. It's thick. We have a javelin of some sort here. We'll start with this one, then we'll get right to that. What's this? Quick set. The tents. Oh, they're barbells. Hopefully they're Rogue. I bought a barbell the other day. It was like $300. Dude, I didn't know barbells could cost so much. Forzen Olympic barbell. Another one of those that we found over there. I feel like these people, whoever sells this, first they go through it, they take out all the best stuff, they leave you with the trash. Kijaro XXL portable camping and sports chair. Dumbbells. This was gold during the pandemic. Sold as pair, 15-pound dumbbells. This is like the weightlifting pallet. Supersonic train. This is like negative money. Dream on me. I'm not even gonna open this. We have matte packaging. Every time you see matte packaging, it's either vegan or expensive. It's like this guy ran over this box with his car. They really not leave anything crazy in here. 7,000. It's like a whole freaking Babies R Us. You can make a whole story out of this. If all of this came from one person, they had a baby, they didn't want to feed them, so they bought a feeder. Toys, right? A lot of trash. When you have a kid, there's trash everywhere. Fans. This is a gold bar. You always watch these videos, right? You watch these videos, and right when they get to this little hole right here, they always find something crazy. I found a 40-pound dumbbell. Red worm. Whoa. That's $76. Damn, and I threw it there. Give it to me. Now that it's expensive. It's good. A muscle rack. 2 muscle racks and that. All right, we missed a box that we just planted so that this video can go crazy. And the box that we planted has paint. We planted some paint. That's all we could budget for. Ooh, it's a hoverboard. Chill. Think this thing has battery? Bro, this used, look at this. They rode this through a marathon. For sure this person put their old one in here. How do you turn this on? All right, so that was the second pallet. We left a little bit of a mess here, but now we're gonna move on to the biggest pallet and the one that from a distance looks to have $7,000. We're tired of opening boxes with useless stuff. This right here is $700, $200. How is that $200? Should be more. We're about to start up a competitor to the Container Store. We could also start a WWE ring. This is like a garage storage tray. Trash. Oh my God, it's just full of it. Wow, this is bad. Oh, we had one of these in the other one. More dumbbells to the gym. This is either a gold bar or dumbbells. Who would have got this before the pandemic? Oh, I think we had one of these in the last one. This was like $300 too. $190, not bad. Stair lights, the griddle cooking station. This pallet can only be saved by this one item. The most expensive in everything was that, the cooking station. All right, so let's go over the totals. It's been over 3 hours that we've been out there opening pallets, opening products, looking up prices, and here's where we're at. So pallet 1's resale value is $658. Pallet 2, $592. Pallet 3, $696. So the total resale at around a 50% off MSRP for all pallets is $1,946, which would be great if I bought them for $1,000, right? So how much did I actually pay for all of these pallets? So for these pallets, all 3 of them, I spent a total of $3,145. That's about $980 per pallet and around $300 or so to get it shipped here because the shipping wasn't free. Now remember, they said that each of these pallets had over $7,000 MSRP of items, and based on what we saw, they actually didn't. And so there you have it. We tried the side hustle. We did it as high as you could do it, right? 3 pallets. This is the first time I've ever done this, and we lost a total of $1,500. Now, can you actually make money doing this? Maybe, right? There's a lot of videos of people going out there spending $1,000 on a pallet or $500 on a pallet and getting thousands and thousands of dollars. In my experience, it didn't work out at all. We didn't find any crazy item like most of these videos. So are most of these people faking it? Who knows? All I know is that this didn't work out for me. Now, if you have any other side hustle ideas or things that you want me to try, leave a comment down below. And for now, check out this video where I took a brand new online store from absolutely zero to $1,000 a day.